Okay, first of all, you mentioned in your email that the course does affect your GPA, but I don't know who told you that it did, but they're not correct. And your credits do count, but so if they told you your credits, if they're telling you it does affect your GPA, they're not right, because as you'll see when the grades are entered into the program, for your final grade, for example, in your course, like let's say you get an A, it'll say SA or SB. There'll be an S in front of it, and that tells the program that that's a skills building class and that it will not affect your GPA overall. So I'm not really sure who told you that it would, but that's not correct. So you might, if you let me know who told you that, I'd be happy to explain it to them, or make that correction so they don't mislead anybody else on that. But as far as this question goes that you sent to me and the graphing for it, of course we can use our y-intercept, which is 0 and -2. And then we can use our slope. Top number affects the y, bottom number affects the x. And so let's see, we're going to add 3 to the y, so that's going to give us a +1, -2 plus 3, and then 0 plus 2. So we have 2 and 1. And then when we put the answer on the graph, so 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So here we go at 0 on the x is here, and then -2 on the y is here. And then for the other one, 2 and 1, you go over 2 on the x and up 1 on the y before you put your dot on. So then the line goes like this. So hopefully, I don't know what might be counted wrong. Sometimes the directions will say things like plot it by graphing the intercepts. You did ask about what if we get fractions. If you're going to find the dots and you end up getting fractions, you can't graph fractions unless the graph itself is broken up. Sometimes they give them to you where it's broken in halves, where this would be at half, and then this would be at 1, and then this would be 1 1/2, and then 2. So if you're getting only fractions as answers, then you want to make sure you're using this method. This will help you not have fractions as answers. If you're using the chart, where you're using the x and y chart, if you want to avoid fractions, always choose a number that's a multiple of this denominator. So for x, I would choose like 0, 2, -2, 4, -4. Any of those are good options because it'll cause the fractions to disappear. And so you won't have a fraction answer for your y value. So hopefully that answers that for you.